Okay, so, never throw objects at a fire alarm, or pull them for fun. So never get something and do this. Never throw any objects at it. Like, don't get a timer and throw it into the fire alarm. Because if you throw it into the fire alarm, like here and here, you're going to break the fire alarm. And you're going to have a big fine for $129 for replacing it. And never do something like this. So, yeah. Never do that. So, yeah. And don't do something like this to it, because that's tampering. Now, one thing, don't get like an exit sign and throw it into the fire alarm. Never do that, because if you throw it into the fire alarm, you're going to break the fire alarm. And you have to pay for like a few dollars, like I said. And don't get a fire extinguisher and try to spray on the alarm. No, if you spray on the alarm, it might ruin the alarm. And don't take the fire alarm off the wall. Never switch the candela. Like, if the candela is at 1575, don't switch the candela. And don't switch the tone. You leave it the way it is. Because if you pull a fire alarm, like if you do this, like click the handle down. If you click the handle to activate it, you're gonna get in trouble. You're gonna get into serious trouble if you do this. And also, if you see a fire alarm panel, don't click test, because if you click test, it'll set the alarm off. And it'll cause a serious evacuation. These are not a toy. And it's not a joke. These are very serious. They're life safety devices. I don't know what you're doing in public, but you need to stop doing this, because we take fire alarms very seriously. So if you do this, the alarm will, if you pull this down, the panel will start and this will go off, and you're going to be in ginormous trouble. And also, don't do something like this. That can really set off the fire alarm. Alright, thank you for watching.